In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing tool that will turn your ideas into images and your photos into stunning videos. Completely free, unlimited, and without any watermark. And the best part is that the quality of the images is completely equal to Midjourney. Just take a look at these images. The first images were made with Midjourney, the second images with the tool I'm going to introduce to you. Stay with me, because in just a moment I'll introduce you to an amazing tool that can create both images and videos with incredible quality. And hey, if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. The tool is called RoboNeo, and this is an AI agent. Unlike most AI agents that are all about text and research, this one actually generates images and videos. Its mobile app is also available on Google Play, or just scan this QR code and get it. Just simply log in with your Google account. It also has the option to log in with email, which means you can even use temporary emails and get unlimited access. Just make sure not to act like a bot. I give permission to access to my account. Guys, just keep in mind that this platform is a little different from the others. To create an image or video, you don't just click on the Create Image or Video option. You actually have to tell it that you want to create an image or video, just like what you're seeing now. I start by making a video, then I add my image. And I type, turn this photo into a video, and then paste my prompt and hit generate. It starts thinking and analyzing the request and the image. Video is ready. Let's play it. Perfect. Okay, I try another one. I select my image and type, convert this image into a video, then type my prompt. The girl walks forward and the camera tracking backwards, and hit generate. It doesn't matter if the images are random or part of a storyboard. The video output quality is just insane. It generates exceptionally high-quality outputs. I'll turn a few more images into videos. It reached the limit after making 5 videos, which is great for a free tool with such high quality. I simply logged in with a temporary email and continued making the video. And I repeat, the output quality is excellent with complex movements like dancing, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, take care.